Hi guys, welcome back to Taffy Feet, and today we're going to be unboxing yet another order from OrigamiShop.com. So what we've got today is a few larger sheets of paper for some tessellations and also a book, Ilan Garibi's new book. So let's go ahead and start unboxing this. Great, here we go. So, I'll just pull this out. So these are all the items I've got. So I've got some elephant hide, like a few different bits of elephant hide, then some tissue foil, and also some, the book. So, first we'll take out the book, I think. Here we go. Origami Tessellations for Everyone, Volume 2. Let's unpackage this and take a look at it. And here is the book, Origami Tessellations for Everyone, Volume 2 by Ilan Garibi. So it's got some really great new models in here that are different from his first book, or his first book in this series, in the Origami Tessellation series. And yeah, I'm really excited to create a few of these. Yeah. That's this book. Okay, next we'll start unboxing all of the other pieces. So, here we have all of the other pieces of paper that I ordered. So here we have the packets of paper that I bought. Let's just try and open these as carefully as we can because we don't want to ruin the paper. So this looks like the tissue foil here. We've also got a thank you card. Oh, some samples of paper in there. That's nice. Here we go. Okay, so there's all the elephant hide. We'll just put this off to the side. Let's take a look at this. So this is, I guess, a bit of a thank you thing from Origami Shop. And inside, they have some papers here. So it looks like there's some cute little square of tissue foil there. Not sure what this is. Feels a bit like, yeah, I'm not sure. And this other really nice one. So that was nice. Thank you to people at Origami Shop for that. And here we have a 60 by 60 centimeter pack of tissue foil, and I think there are 9 pieces in it. So we'll open it up and take a look. So they're all folded, which is fine, because it would have been quite big. So here we have the gold. So it's too big to even fit in the frame, but it's very large. Gold, which is really nice. The copper. I really like this color. The black. Wow, that's really cool. The grey. I'm not actually sure what the official names are, but as you can see, it's shiny on one side, normally on the other. If you've seen my other videos, I kind of do a bit of an explanation about tissue foil. The white. I actually haven't had the white tissue foil before, but I really like it. Some yellow. That's That's also nice. The orange, that's really nice and bright. I like the colour inside it. And then this brown colour, which is really cool. So we'll put those off to the side. And we also, oops, that's a nice little, I'm not sure what that is, but oh, €4 off apparently. This is a nice, this is all of the elephant hide that I ordered. Sorry about that loudness. Let's take all this off. Let's take a look at the size of these, because I know that I got some pretty large ones. Alright, here we go. So we got, I think we got a pack. Oh no, maybe we didn't. So we've got this really nice one. I think this is maybe 50 centimeters. That's lovely. Another whitish colour. This is more of like an ivory colour than the more pearl coloured one. This is really beautiful. So these must be all the 50 centimeter sheets. Beautiful. I'm excited to start doing some folding with these ones. And here are some of the bigger ones. And more, I think these are more of the like rarer colours. So this looks maybe like it's the 70 centimeter one or the 60 centimeter one. I think this is 70 because it's quite big. Put that one over there. I love this colour one. Wow. That's so nice. Beautiful. And finally this one. I'll just put them in a little diagonal here so you can see all of the colours that I got. That's really beautiful. I'm pretty happy with that. I think that's most of them that I ordered. So, this plus all of these is what I ordered, and I'm pretty happy with that. So, looking forward to doing some folding. Thanks so much for watching. Hope you like and subscribe.